Welcome back, guys. I have a package coming in the mail today that has some items for the entryway, and I want to do like a little gallery wall in the entryway, but before I work on that, I have to do some painting and I have to build a console table. It has been very cold and gloomy the past few days, so I just feel like staying in and doing something colorful and fun. And I also tried to go for a walk/run this morning, but I think I have shin splints. I bought new sneakers and I thought that that would help, but I think that I'm maybe just pushing myself a little too hard. I've been trying to be a lot more active this spring, but I think that my legs just need a rest, so I'm just gonna take it easy today. So if you guys were watching last week, you know that I put down this peel and stick tile, and I also did the fridge. I just used some thermal labels to make this checkerboard pattern, and I actually had 5 labels left, so I had exactly enough to do the whole fridge. The entryway has a few things that I want to do to it. The door, I don't want it to stay white. I definitely want to have a pop of color there. So I was originally going to do some wallpaper over here on this wall, but I just don't really want to spend any more money. And I have a lot of just paints here, so I think I'm just going to do my own little pattern. And I have a console table in there that I need to build. So I do have some art prints coming, so I do want to do a little gallery wall here. I have a different rug coming because that one doesn't really match anymore. So I originally had this print on that mug wall, but now that I have the mug wall, which was the inspiration for it, I'm not really feeling it, so I'm going to switch out that print. And when I made the clay letters, I actually ended up making this as well. I wanted to experiment and make like a little vase, and I just have some dried flowers in here from my cousin. She got me a bouquet of flowers. My cousin has actually bought me more flowers than any man has ever in my entire 38 years on this planet, and gifts too. So if you're disappointed in men, definitely get yourself a good girl best friend. I do have some sample paints on the door right now, so I'll show you the color that I think I'm going to be going for. So Home Depot had these reduced paints. There was a blue and a peach color for only $1, so I picked those up. And I think that I like the peach one a lot more than the blue. I don't know if one can's going to be enough to paint the entire door, but the first thing I want to do is get this box out of the way, so I'm going to build the console table first.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love, remember when we were getting nowhere fast, when the garden won't stop giving back, honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that.
I put the bottom piece in upside down. So now I have to take all the bolts out and redo it. I'm just not feeling today. I'm not feeling it. I am already frustrated. It's so easy, but I just feel like I don't have the energy for it. I'm honestly probably just going to make some lunch and watch a movie, and maybe I'll just push off the painting till tomorrow. Yeah, I think I'll have a nice, relaxing, do-nothing Saturday. Okay, well, at least I got one thing done today. The table. Is that comfortable? Yeah. I did want to use that bottom shelf just to put my shoes on, because I usually have like a few pairs out. And then I got this really nice bowl off Amazon, which I really love. So that's gonna hold like my keys and stuff when I come in. And then I don't know, I want to do something right here that's decorative, and find something for that middle shelf too. I don't know, I might have to go thrift store shopping.
That's sure something I could use. A cure for the air conditioning blues.
Actually, I think we met the last time I was here.
My package arrived from Temu, so I just wanted to show you guys what I got for the entryway. First thing is this little canvas print that says Home Sweet Home on it. I thought that that would be really cute there. And I think this is gonna fit, but in the frame that's on the wall that has the mugs in it, I wanted to switch it out for this one. I just thought she was very peaceful looking, and I love the green color. I saw this tin sign and I thought it was really funny. It says dramatic exit. So I'm gonna put that up over the mirror probably. And I wanted a wavy picture frame. And I got this one actually, it's quite nice. It's just a blue wavy frame and I have to get a little print to go in there. And I think these are curtain tie backs, but I wanted to kind of put them around maybe the doorknob. They're just little strawberries that I thought were really cute. And they're just made of fabric. Very nice. Oh, I did get a top. It's just a striped top with some buttons on the side. I need some t-shirts for summer, so that'll come in handy. This must be the rug. And it has a non-slip backing on it. It's actually quite nice. I like that. Okay, these are smaller than I thought they were gonna be. They are cherries. And I just have to string them together to make a garland. So I don't know where I'll put this because they are kind of small, but I'm sure I'll find a spot. And one thing that I've noticed with Temu is that if I put things in my cart and then I just leave them for a few days and then I open the app back up, they'll usually offer me a free item in the cart. So they gave me a free cat scratcher, and it's also very floral. It's a wall cat scratcher. I think the cats actually will really like that material. So I do have a spot in mind for that, and I think it was like $9. I'm not quite sure yet how many items I'm gonna want for the gallery wall. I'm just gonna kind of get these things up there and see how it looks, and then I can just add more things to it. Good morning, it's Sunday, so I am just getting ready for church. I put in a grocery order last night and I found the cutest little candle that I'm gonna put on the entryway table, and it's so cute, it just looks like a little circus tent. So my cousin's coming up today and we're actually gonna go play pickleball after church. We played it like once, maybe a few weeks ago, and it was really fun. I don't know all the rules yet and we're just practicing keeping the ball in the air for now, but it's definitely great exercise. And then I don't know how the rest of the day is going to go. We usually hang out for a while. We might hit out some stores. But I promise that if you're watching this, there will be a completed entryway before the end of the video. I should also give an update on the dollhouse because it's been a while since I worked on it. I am trying to figure out how to put a wall back in here because this is actually broken. So I got some wood pieces and I'm going to try to jimmy rig something. And I also got a little order of items off Temu, little miniature items like a toilet and a vanity. The knob fell off it, so I have to glue it back on, and also the faucet. And I got a little plant, and I thought these scales were really cute. Little flip-flops here, rubber ducky, and shampoo, towels, got a rug. This is a little small, but I think it'll still work. This is for the shower. And there's even a towel rod and a little soap holder and toilet paper holder. So once I get the entryway done, I will be returning back to this. Look at that leg. What's going on? Are you super relaxed? Yeah? And I just noticed the other day that there's tiny little flowers on my prayer plant. It's so cute. Good morning. So I am definitely painting the door and the wall today. I did end up going to Home Depot yesterday to get another sample because I was pretty sure that this one is not going to cover the door. So I tried to match the color as best as I could, and I ended up getting this Melon Sorbet by Behr. The color is a little bit off from the original sample, so I'm going to mix the two of them together. And I fell in love with this pony little porcelain statue at the thrift store. I just love the colors on it, and I thought, this is what I want to see. This is what I want to see when I come home every day. And I ended up getting this little orange vase too, which I thought was really nice. So I want to have this done today, so I'm going to jump into the painting. Okay, the first coat is on the door, and I think it looks really pretty against that lavender color. And this was not on purpose, but it does actually match the stickers that are on the fridge too. So I'm going to start on this wall. I'm just going to be doing like some hand painted red stripes. And the large piece of artwork that I have, I'm actually going to hang over that electrical box. And for this wall, I'm just going to use some craft paint that I had, some red craft paint from DecoArt. I wanted the stripes to just look like they were hand painted on, but also kind of like a watercolor. So I think that I'm just going to finish decorating and call it a day.